Ready for this?
VD.
Fire, gang. Let's go to this shit. They nice, bro. Alright, base and mats. Damn. Oh shit. Oh shit. Whew. Oh man. This is race car life. Ah, damn. I ain't gonna lie, gang. These shits are mad uncomfortable, bro. Nah, I'm just playing. They're not that uncomfortable, bro. They're actually decent, but definitely. Oh. Sliders work too. Sweet. Alright, bro. Jesus Christ. Me bumper clot. Barely any clearance, gang. Hey, they should just made it, bro. Just made it with the clearance, gang. I hope this shit can support my weight, though. I hope these just don't break. We out here, gang. The car already feels mad light, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, this shit feels light as fuck already, bro. Bro, the car feels like it has no fucking weight, bro. And it's like swaying all over the place now, bro. What the fuck? But my airbag light keeps flashing. I'm gonna have to do something about that. I'm gonna have to either take that off or I don't know how I'm gonna disconnect that, but I plugged the airbags back in, so I don't know why the light's flashing. This shit moves, bro. I'm half throttle. I'm shifting this shit at 5K, bro, and this shit is moving, bro. This shit feels way lighter than before, gang. I'm not even gonna joke, bro. I'm not even capping, bro. Like, the breeze is swaying the car, bro. The breeze never used to do that before, bro. Like, bro, I just dropped 150 pounds off this shit, bro. Like, what the fuck? I just dropped 150 pounds off the car, bro. And I still gotta gut the back seats, gang, and the trunk, gang. So we about to drop some weight, bro. And once I put them big brake kits on, bro, this shit gonna be a little lighter on her feet, you know what I mean? Sweet. But yeah, gang, I'm gonna end this video here, bro. Nothing too crazy. Quick little update video to show all the seats. I'll make another POV video soon. So with that being said, gang, I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again, girl. I hope y'all been doing good. I've been doing great myself. But I would love to make some more, make this video longer, but unfortunately, your boy gotta head to work, gang. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, gang. Stay tuned.